Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. Today a question is on the screen, that is JEE Main. How to find minimum number of elements that must be added to the relation R, which contains two pair only, A, B and B, C, on the set A, B, C, so that it becomes symmetric as well as transitive. The options are 1, 3, 5, 7. So first we'll go for the symmetric. For R to be symmetric, if AB belongs to the relation, that means BA must belongs to the relation, then only it will be symmetric. So when AB is there, BA must be there, and when BC is there, CB must be there. So we are adding 2 now, that is your R equals to AB, BA, BC, B, C, and C, B. So I added 2. Now for R to be symmetric, R to be transitive, condition is if AB order pair belongs to R, BC order pair belongs to R, that means the condition is AC must belongs to R. So we will check for all the order pairs. Here AB is there, BC there, so AC must be there. Since AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R. So to make symmetric, to make transitive, AC to be added, A, C to be added. Next is AB, A, B belongs to R. B, A also belongs to R. That means A, A must be added. Next is BA is there, BA is there, so A, A must be added. BA and AB, so B, B must be added. B, A belongs to R, A, B belongs to R, so B, B must be added. Next, coming to these two pairs, B, C is there, C, B is there, so BB, we have all, B, B has to be added. B, C belongs to R, C, B belongs to R. To make transitive, B, B, C, CB, sorry, I repeated the same thing. I'll go in a reverse way. B, C comma B is there, and B comma C is there. So CC must be added. C comma B belongs to R. B comma C belongs to the relation. So CC must be added. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I have added. Now let's see what is left. AC is there. Okay. When AC is added, I have to take CA also for making symmetric. So when A comma C is to relation to make symmetric, C comma A belongs to R, or it should be added. So total I'm adding 5, and there it was added 2 are added. Make symmetric as well as transitive two plus 5, 7 ordered pairs must be added. See which one is the answer. So 4 is answer. Thank you for watching.